Okay, we are going to put things together. So if you look at here, one simple application of what you have learned. Okay, find the minimum of 3 values. So let's say number 1, we're going to get it from user. Okay, we say enter the first integer. Then of course we like to get it as an integer value. So we will say int. So that's the first one. Let me copy paste. There will be second number. Then that's the third number. So let's think about adding number 12, 27, and then 36. So let's start with here. Okay, number 12 is the minimum. Okay, we need to have a starting point. So minimum number, we assume number 1. Okay, then we are going to say if number 2 is smaller than, okay, number 1. Say number 2, okay, which is 27, smaller than 12. Okay, minimum, which is not true. Okay, this is small. That is not true. Okay, if it's true, then, okay, let's say if it's number 2, then it is true. We will say minimum should be number 2. And we need to have another one if number 3 less than minimum, then minimum, so number 3. Okay, and then we can print. Okay, minimum value is, so I don't need a space, minimum. So if you look at here, minimum become number 12. Okay, 12. Here 12. Sorry, here 12. 27 smaller than 12. So it's not true. So we are here. And number 36 smaller than minimum, which is not true. Then we print. What are we printing? This is the one. 12. Okay. 12. 27. 36. Okay, it says 12 is correct. We call it as the statistic functions. One of them happen to be minimum. Okay, min, 3 values. So we have a number 1, number 2, number 3. It does exactly the same. It will compare those 3 numbers. The smallest number will be returned as a minimum. So if we have that one, it will be answer 6. Okay, 12, 10, 6. This one, sorry, I have a typo. Minimum. Okay, should be okay now. 12, 10, 6. Okay, that's the one. That's all. Thank you.